So when using a computer, one of the most useful skills is getting to grips with a new piece of software as quickly as possible. And this only really comes down to confidence. Just remember, you won't break the software application. So what we've got Windows Live Movie Maker up here. There are videos and tutorials about how to use this in School WA. But what we're going to do is, the first thing, if you're going to start to use a piece of software, is perhaps to load it up and then save a file. So in the top left, there is always a save or a menu to do save project as. This is general best practice for software because everyone is used to having the save as in the top left. So it's very, very rare an application will not have the save as in the top left. So let's save a project as, and let's just put it somewhere that is easy to access. So my desktop, and click test movie. Save. Now everything I do in here, I'm not going to hurt any file. This is a file that I've just created purely to get to grips with this application. And now I'm just going to press buttons. So add videos and photos. If I hover over different bits of functionality, generally you'll get something called a tooltip. That's that little white box that's just appeared. The tooltip is a way of the software designer giving you more information about what your mouse is pointing at. And generally you need to hover for a couple of seconds over the icon or the button to see if there is a tooltip there. So we're looking at Windows Live Movie Maker. Let's just add some photos and videos. There we go. There's a couple of pictures of a dishwasher. Let's just open those. There we go. And let's see what that button does. Music hasn't been added yet. Do you want to add some music now? No, I'll add some later. There we go. So I just pressed a button and there's some buttons here, play. So there we go. It's created a test movie. Oh, but I can see the word test there and the word test there. So I wonder what happens if I press on this test here. Can I change it? There we go. I double clicked on it and this is my first movie. There we go. Okay, now I don't really like the order of this, so what I want to do is rearrange them. So maybe if I pick them up and drag them around, I could rearrange them. There we go. So all I've done is I've just had confidence to move the software application as I want to move it. I've double clicked on things, I've dragged them around, and the most important thing is I haven't broken anything. If you ever want to undo something, generally in all software applications there is a magic thing called Control-Z, undo. Often it's in the top left as well, there's a little undo button there. But if you hold down Control and Z, it will just undo and press it again, and press it again, and press it again. It will undo everything that you've done previously. If you want to redo it, it's Control-Y. And Control-Y doesn't always work in some applications. There we go. So that was just me just opening up an app. There you go. So that was just me opening an application, looking for the tooltips, pressing buttons, and just having fun. And I knew that I wouldn't break anything.